This is the MegaWise Precision Food Scale right here. This holds up to 33 pounds here. It's also waterproof with it. It has a digital display over here, so we can go ahead and turn it on here. It does include 2 AAA batteries, but you can also charge it, and it's good for up to 2 months on a single charge right there. So we can go ahead and have it right here. So we put a little bit of pressure on it. We can kind of see how much weight we have right there. So it goes in grams, or you can also change your units to kilograms or pounds and ounces right there too as well. You can also go ahead and zero it all out with it. Let's take a look at the back here real quick. It also has this little hanging thing right here, so you can go ahead and hang it up if you want to hang it up. But right back here, you put your AAA batteries, or like I said before, it does also include a USB cord, USB-C cord, to go ahead and charge this, and it'll last up to 2 months for you. So right there it is. This right here is the MegaWise Precision Food Scale, and I hope you enjoy it as well.